Another day, another dollar, and here we have some examples of the trading mode of my algorithm. We're not having many action right now with the investing portfolio, so these are some of the accounts that I manage or that I own. So as you can see, very slow day, 3%, 1.6%, and this high risk we closed almost 10%. But of course, market is allowing this type of conditions. Here's the 15-minute chart. Let's go first to the 4-hour. Let's break down the today's trade. For example, we traded this, especially this impulse and the retracement. So it was very clear that price was trying to get to the zone, but as soon as it found some resistance and also followed by the news or the data for the PMI, well, price decided to give another impulse to the upside, retesting the previous lower highs. And in this case we had this also, this I don't have it marked, but it's also a lower low for me, but especially this lower high, and this is the one that we're retesting currently. So as you can see, we're consolidating in this area. Price tomorrow we don't have news, so you can expect something below, or at least we'll start ranging here. We have more news until Thursday. We have good data for the economy in general for USA, like unemployment and GDP. So expect the price to start ranging today. And this is the open. As you can see, we could say the pre-market for Asia sessions, but we are already having another big impulse, or what we can say it's a wave, like for example something like that. Like that's not the important thing to try to predict or try to create a pattern that it's not there, but the reality is that price is consolidating below the two major pushes or the two previous lows created. So the only zone that price has as a magnet is all this yellow area from 2280 to more or less 2265, because to the upside we need to recover this level, especially this resistance that created a lot of conflict for gold. As you can see, this is the 4-hour time frame. We rejected 1-2 times, then we created the big impulse to the new all-time high, but we rejected very fast. So the last time that we managed to do something in this area, we also rejected very fast, because if we go to the 15-minute chart, can see that as soon as price broke with one candle, the next one was already showing more than indecision. It was showing clear signs of going down. So pretty much one candle, and the next ones already gave us the impulse. So we can see this, I guess it's a doji in the exact resistance at 2400. So this is a very big area, and for price to continue to the upside, that, remember, I've been telling you, fundamentals and everything says that price is bullish. Even Powell from the Fed already didn't say that gold will be bullish, of course, but it's giving hints that the economy in the USA is not going, well, the recovery is not going as planned. So we can consider this as a very healthy retracement for even miners to still keep up with the very sustained move we had to the upside, because even if we get to this area, the retracement and the bullish structure may remain active, because we have a $450 move, almost $450 move. So this is not even the 50% retracement. But sorry, this is very important to consolidate here and don't break with good volume. If not, price will get to this area, will recover fast, or will revalidate very fast. In general, price is very slow in the past days. Even if we measure this movement to the downside, as mentioned, this was planned. Price needed a very healthy retracement after the big impulse, because the more that we had is, we could say, this impulse of $62. So versus the 450 total move, we are waiting for something bigger. We have $140 move, so it's not bad at all. This is a very good retracement. We could consider this as the official retracement. Also, if the data of Thursday keeps pushing price or keeps pushing the USA to the downside, Well, in that situation, tomorrow is a very good day for trading. I'm starting my investing portfolios again because even though this is not a very good price, well, as I'm a hedge trader, so I really don't care long term where the price is. I just care about the move, so I want to be in every move possible. What I don't want is to take the whole trend from here, for example, or even from here. So I think that my last cycle was either from this area, so at least I managed to take out some 85 to almost $120 move, pips from my dollar move from my drawdown. So I can get all these retracements as my exits and continue with the move, because even though this is a very sustained move and one of the most sustained move per data, you're having retracements, and that's the beauty of Forex, and that's why you need to trade with algos. Is way better. It's systematic, it's a clear edge versus manual or probability. So just stay cautious in these two areas, because we are very clear this is the first heavy area for price to consolidate, but if price wants to go down, it can go here. So it's a very clear move of almost $60, so at least take that in mind for a stop loss or whatever you use to keep your risk management, and try to enter. I like to enter in the middle of the candles, so today I mainly enter here at the market open after the... I entered here yesterday, and today I enter when the news hit, more or less here. I knew it was going to retest the price, so the retracement after the push also was very clear. So that's when the accounts managed to close. So just keep those things in mind. Every time price goes up, you will have a little retracement that you need to take advantage of it. So keep positions clear and your charts marked, because action will, if we have action, will be in 2 days, and you need to wait or be patient. Don't try to rush the market tomorrow, for example, because range is what kills accounts. So have a good day. And also, before we recover the bull trend or the bull momentum, this area of manipulation or consolidation between 23 to 33, and especially this high, oh, that's awful. But let's mark it with a line. This is 23.65 more or less. You need to wait for very clear breaks in this area before we can recover the bullish momentum we had that was breaking all the all-time highs. So mark these two zones. Let me make it very clear for you. And pretty much that's what price is looking to break, to the upside and to the downside to retest here. So that will be it for today.